The recent development about the House Budget Committee recommended 1.29 billion cut. So that's more than 70% of the OVP's budget. So they reduced it to 733 million. So ang nangyari, dinifund nila ang mga programa ni Inday, leaving the salaries budget. Hindi umattend si Inday Sara sa second hearing ng kanyang budget committee because she expected that this is going to happen. So there is no sense of attending and defending her budget because she left everything in the Congress, right? In the recent interview of VP Sara, she revealed the corruption that's happening in the Congress through budget insertion. Ang nangyari is, nag-i-insert ng bilyon-bilyong budget ang Kongreso aside from the proposed budget. At ang Congress lang ang may control ng budget na yun. Pero sino ang mananagot? Yung departamentong saan nilagay yung budget insertion. Diba? That's why Inday Sara pushed back. Kung napanood nyo yung buong interview, siya kasi ang mananagot sa departamento niya sa lahat ng budget kahit hindi siya ang nag-insert. Kaya todo deny yung mga Kongreso sa mga accusations ni VP Sara defunding the OVP and also the planned impeachment that they are just doing their job. Alam niyo itong mga Congress ito, sinungaling, napakasinungaling talaga. If they are just doing their job, bakit hindi nila binusisi ang budget ng Office of the President? Bakit within less than 15 minutes, pasado na kaagad? Why is the OVP being singled out in this process? Kung talagang ginagawa nila yung trabaho nila, gawin nila yan sa lahat ng departamento. Hindi na follow yung traditional parliamentary courtesy. For me kasi okay lang kung tanggalin yung tradition na yan sa budget hearing. Pero dapat sa lahat. Bakit kay Inday Sara lang? Sa Office of the President, meron siyang 4.5 billion na confidential funds at billion from the previous years. Bakit hindi binusisi yun? Itong mga Congress ito, napaka-ipokrito at ipokritan nyo dyan. Concern kayo sa pera ng taong bayan, pero yung sarili nyong budget, hindi nyo pinapublic. Hindi nyo pinapublic yung audit dahil liquidation by certification lang kayo. You think the people trust your certification? Kunyari, concern kayo sa pera ng taong bayan, tapos ganon? Kanino perang gamit yan? I'm sure hindi ganun kalaki yung sweldo ng Congress para maka-afford ng ganyang mamahaling bagay, right? Tinanggalan man ng programa si Inday Sara, magtatrabaho pa rin yan siya. They are ready to work with zero budget on the programs. For me personally, okay lang naman tanggalan nila ng programa si Inday Sara so that she can focus on her mandate and she can also focus of being a strong critic of this administration. Doon kayo maghanda.